Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to verify Wise account. So let's get started. So first of all, go into wise.com, and from here log in into your account. And then once you are here in your account, so maybe you have just done the registration process. So from here, to verify your identity, you would need to send money, because when you're sending money, you wouldn't be able to send it actually, because you would need to verify your identity first. So that would be our way of verifying our identity. So you want to tap on send right here. And from here, you would choose the amount that you'd want to send. So since we're doing this for verification process, let's just say 100, just for an example, right here. And then you can go on what payment method you'd like. So in my case, I'll just go for this one right here and continue. Doesn't matter, because we're just doing this for the registration process. And from here, the verification, sorry. So just click on in any recipient that you have right here. So in my case, I'll just choose myself. And from here, you would need to verify yourself first. As you can see right here, it says use your phone to verify your identity. So you would need to upload your government ID or your ID for verification processes, so that Wise would be able to verify that it is really you, to avoid fraud here in Wise transactions. So in here, you can choose scan a QR code or get link by email. You can choose either of them. So for example, you chose the get link by email. So what you'll be getting is, when you go into your email right here, this is the email that you would get from Wise. So as you can see right here, it is saying that you need to follow these steps to verify your identity using your phone. So number one would be to open this email on your mobile device and then tap on the button, verify your ID. And from there, all you have to do is basically just scan your government ID, and that is basically it. Make sure it's clear, there are no blurs and whatsoever, every information is visible. And after that, you can take a photo with yourself so that they can verify that it is really you that is in the ID, and make sure your face is fully visible. And then you can now go back to this tab right here, and all you have to do is basically just tap on I've finished everything, or I've finished verifying here. So once you're done with that, then now you will now be verified with your Wise account. It might take some time for Wise to fully process your verification, but it shouldn't take too long. And after that, your Wise account will now be verified. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.